So it contains text with insufficient contrast. First, one thing I want you to notice is that if you're looking at your document, you're like, I don't see anything with insufficient contrast, okay? Notice that ally does actually point out the issue, okay? So that's where you would be able to find it. Now, this is very important. For fixing the document, we'll actually have to open the document in Microsoft Word, okay? So we're going to go back to the document itself and we're going to open that document in Microsoft Word. And that's where we're going to be making the fixes. The first fix that we have to make is changing this font that's difficult to read, okay, because it's a very, very light green. So I'll simply change the color of that one. I'll make it black. Okay, so I noticed Ally pointed out to me that this issue occurs in 4 places in the document. So I'll find all 4 of those places in the document and I'll fix the issue. There we go. Like I said, I started with the easiest one. Okay, the easiest issue was just changing the color of the text.